Luna was a curious little girl with a penchant for exploring every nook and cranny of her old house. One day, while rummaging through the dusty attic, she stumbled upon an ancient-looking telescope. Its brass frame was tarnished with age, but its lens gleamed invitingly. Intrigued, Luna set it up by her bedroom window and peered through it into the velvety night sky. To her amazement, the stars seemed to twinkle more brightly and, to her utter disbelief, began to speak. With voices like chimes in the wind, they spoke of a lost star that had strayed from its place in the vast night sky. The stars implored Luna for help, telling her of the imbalance created by the absence of the lost star. Luna's heart fluttered with excitement and a sense of duty. She knew she couldn't embark on this journey alone. Luna gathered her loyal animal friends, Pippin, the wise old owl, Finny, the playful squirrel, and Pebbles, the brave little hedgehog. Together, they set out on an extraordinary adventure under the blanket of the starry night. Along the way, they encountered the majestic constellation Orion, who shared riddles that unlocked secret pathways in the sky. They also met Cassiopeia, who offered clues hidden among her stars. With each puzzle solved, Luna and her friends drew closer to finding the lost star. Their journey wasn't without challenges. Dark clouds loomed, blocking their path and testing their resolve. But Luna's determination, coupled with the unwavering support of her friends, kept them going. They found ways to work together, each contributing their unique skills to overcome every obstacle. Finally, they reached the edge of the Milky Way, where they discovered the lost star, dim and forlorn. Luna extended her hand, and with a gentle touch, the star regained its brilliance. Guided by the chorus of twinkling stars, Luna and her friends escorted the lost star back to its rightful place in the night sky. As the star settled into its spot, the entire sky shimmered in celebration. Luna and her friends had not only restored the balance of the heavens, but had also forged an unbreakable bond of friendship and teamwork. As dawn approached, Luna returned home with a heart full of joy and memories of a magical adventure. She knew that whenever she looked through her telescope, she would be reminded of the night she and her friends helped the lost star find its way home.